of the unfortunate politics that is playing out over a serious issue like the Pahalgam terror attacks. The Haryana BJP MP Ramchandra Jangra has sparked a controversy with his remarks on the April 22nd Pahalgam terror attack. Addressing a gathering in Bhiwani in an event to mark the 300th birth anniversary of Ahilyabai Holkar, the Rajya Sabha MP said that women who lost their husbands in the terror attack should have acted like Virangana or warrior women. He went on to state that these women lacked spirit and vigor. He added that had they read about the history of Ahilyabai, nobody would have been able to shoot their husbands dead in front of their eyes like that. The remarks have now triggered a political firestorm, with the opposition terming it as an insult to the women who lost their husbands in the horrific terror attack. Listen in to what the BJP MP has said.
वहां पर जो हमारी वीरांगनाएं बहन थी, जिनकी मांग का सिंदूर छीन लिया गया, अगर उन्होंने अहिल्याबाई का इतिहास पढ़ा होता तो उनके सामने उनके पति को कोई निरपराध इस तरह से गोली नहीं मार सकता था, चाहे वो भी शहीद हो जाए। वीरांगना का भाव नहीं था, जोश नहीं था, जज्बा नहीं था, दिल नहीं था, इसलिए हाथ जोड़ के गोली का शिकार हुआ।
So, Sabyasachi, while the BJP is asking the opposition leaders not to politicize the issue and be on the same stand as the entire country, it must also now take action against the BJP MP who has made these unacceptable remarks, questioning the valor of the women who have lost their husbands.
Well, that's right. See, the BJP has now have to take action against its own Rajya Sabha member of Parliament, Ramchandra Jangra, of his offensive remark that he has made on the widows of Pahalgam. Now, after that, strong reaction have started to come in from the opposition side. From the Congress side, Dipinder Singh Hooda had stated that the BJP continues to insult the women of the country, and the remarks that has been passed by the member of Parliament is disgusting and unacceptable. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav also has said that these remarks made by the BJP Rajya Sabha member of Parliament is deeply condemnable. In fact, Supriya Sineth also pointed out that on one hand, BJP member of Parliament talks disgraceful about the women, and on the other hand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi talks about Sindoor. So clearly, a lot of strong reaction coming in from the opposition side, and they have been demanding that strict action should be taken against Ramchandra Jangra, and the opposition also have been demanded that in the past also similar kind of statement were made by one of the BJP leader in Madhya Pradesh, but there was no action initiative taken against him. By mere apologizing is not the solution. BJP has to send out a strong message by taking strict action against these leaders who crosses the line at this particular time when the entire country stands united against terrorism.
Absolutely, and the BJP must take action against the MP to set the record straight on the matter. In fact, the Congress party was also quick to slam the BJP MP's remarks, calling it shameful and an insult to the sindoor of the women. The Congress party also asked whether the BJP agrees with the statements being made by Ramchandra Jangra, and will the party take any action against him. In fact, the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav also launched a scathing attack on the BJP, calling it a party with anti-women mindset. In fact, we are breaking updates now coming in. Now, after this controversy, after the Congress party, it is the Samajwadi Party that is now going after the BJP MP, demanding strict action against him. And now Akhilesh Yadav has slammed the anti-Nari mindset, saying the Pahalgam women's victims have been mocked, demanding strict action against the same, saying that BJP MP who has made this statement shows the real face of the BJP. It has been exposed. Akhilesh Yadav now saying that there should be action being taken against the BJP MP. So the Samajwadi Party has taken on the BJP. According to the party chief Akhilesh Yadav, the BJP MP has mocked Pahalgam women victims, and he took to social media X to slam the BJP. Pradeep Datta continues to stay live with us. And Pradeep, the opposition leaders are understandably targeting the BJP over the same, saying where is the action against the BJP MP?
Yes, this ridiculous, shocking and insensitive statement of BJP member parliament has provided enough ammunition to opposition party leader to train their guns right now on BJP, and they want that action need to be initiated against him. And I think these member parliament need to understand one thing, because they move in security from even their residence to the offices, because they are not well versed with the reality on the ground, because it was not that easy to fight with those terrorists, because one, they were caught unaware, they had no idea what actually these people were up to. They identified people and then shot them on point blank range. So there was no question, because how come unarmed people just start fighting with the terrorists who are holding guns in their hands? I think these member parliament need to understand these things, because when they sit in ivory tower, they move with the security from one place to another place. They have no idea what actually is the reality on the ground. This shows that they have disconnect with the people. If you are properly connected with the people, what kind of representative they have, they don't have an understanding about the situation. That's one of the reasons that now opposition party leaders are targeting the BJP. They want the action need to be initiated against that, because on one hand, BJP is saying that this is not the sindoor. Basically, this is the red color that's etched on the forehead of terrorism, and this is not about the Saundra. It is about the bravery that the sindoor talks about. On the other hand, he's mocking at these people, the women who have lost their husbands during this terror-related incident on April 22, when 26 of the tourists were killed. They were all unarmed. So I think this is high time where the BJP need to do something in this regard, because otherwise opposition party will keep on targeting the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they will keep on saying that they are not really serious, because this is Bharatiya Janata Party. They could keep on saying that Nari Padhao, Nari Bachao. And if some kind of statement will be made against the Nari, so that will not be taken in a good way by the opposition party or anybody in the country.
The BJP must set the record straight, take action against the BJP MP, because his words are absolutely unacceptable. At a time when the BJP is raising questions of the opposition for politicizing the issue, the party must take action against the MP for making these statements. Sabyasachi and Pradeep, thank you for joining us with those details.